channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little crazy. It is going to be a clean with me, but it's going to be in my master bedroom, and I'm going to start the process of getting it ready to paint. Today I'm going to attempt to start. I don't know if I'm going to finish because I'm going to do the ceiling. I already know I'm going to hate myself for this, but I have to paint the ceiling because our ceilings, like, as you could tell, the walls, the baseboards, the doors, everything is off-white. So therefore the ceiling is off-white, and it's pretty noticeable in the rest of my house that I have painted, but in my bedroom I want to do one really dark accent wall and the rest of it is a whitish gray color. So I feel like if I don't paint the ceiling, it's going to look so gross because there's going to be such a big difference between the whitish color and the ceiling. I've never painted a ceiling before, and I can already tell you that it probably doesn't help that I worked out 2 days ago. My arms are sore because my arms are really going to be sore after this. So let's go ahead and prep this bedroom for painting, and let's get this over with. First, we're gonna go ahead and do like a good before shot. That way we all kind of remember what it looked like before, and it's very plain, boring self. You can see the ceiling is the same color as everything else.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold.
Okay, so the first thing I did was I had to clean everything off of the dresser because I was going to put all my supplies here, and I just didn't know how messy this was going to be. I didn't know if paint was going to fall down. I assumed it was going to, so I was just trying to clean up as much as possible.
We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
Comment down below and let me know if you have ever painted ceilings before, because I have a new respect for people that do this, like that have done this in their homes or do this for a living, because this was one of the hardest things I've had to do.
Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go.
And I apologize, in this video all the lighting is going to be completely different. Apparently my lights that I put in are a little more yellow than I thought that they were, and I'm also using 2 different cameras, and me and my husband share the one camera, so he said he messed with some settings, so that's why some of them look a little more yellow, but I think it actually shows the true color of my bedroom. Like, my bedroom is that gross off-white color, if that's what you want to call it, but that's one reason why I'm painting it.
We go bottoms up.
Funny story, a paint drop literally came down and I seen it coming at me, and that's why I jumped like that. And from then on out, I was like, I need goggles. And you will see in the next clip, I did not have goggles. I actually had my blue light glasses that I wear when I'm editing. That's what I decided to use. Real professional.
Scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve.
You guys, painting a ceiling is no joke. My feet were killing me. I tried wearing socks, my slippers, tennis shoes, everything hurt. If you don't know, probably about a month ago I broke my toe by accidentally kicking the bed frame, so my foot was starting to swell and it was getting hot. It was like 105 degrees this weekend outside. This was not fun at all.
Where does it come from?
You will notice in this video that I change my outfit quite often, and honestly, I started on a Saturday around 1 p.m. and I quit painting, I want to say, so today, Sunday, around 10 a.m. So there is many changes. I started painting and then we had to go to dinner, so then when I came back from dinner, I put this paint shirt back on. And then I changed into sweatpants later on in the night. And then I had a new outfit in the morning. I was all over the place.
Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
And thanks to my amazing husband, he went to Sonic after the girls went to bed and got me a Blizzard, and you bet I took a break to go eat that ice cream. Okay guys, there you go. This is day 2. I thought I could get this done in one day and there just was no way. So I still have some spots drying, but it is pretty much done. Now for the fun part of, painting the walls and doing my accent wall, but I still gotta do the trim. I gotta paint that white. I gotta paint the doorways white, the doors. If you can't tell by my voice, I am so over this. I've got a horrible headache. I've got a billion fans going. I got the window open. And you won't see me painting any ceilings for quite a while. But it is done, and it took me about 2 days. And yeah, I'm ready to take a shower. And now we got to go to a birthday party. But I got to put this room back in order. So let's get to it.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
So this was the next day, which is Sunday, which is the day I'm finishing this video for you guys. This was after I got done painting. I got showered, we went to a birthday party, and then when I came back, that's when I started to put everything back together. And you will notice too that I did not put my rug back down, and that's because I'm getting a new rug for the living room later this week, and I'm going to take the living room rug and put it in here and try to sell the one that was in here. So I just decided, instead of going through the hassle of trying to get it back under the bed, I was just going to leave it out.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
I decided to leave the ladder in here just because it's so heavy, and I'm hoping by next weekend, maybe next Saturday, I will get time to actually paint the walls in here. So I was like, I'm just gonna leave this right here.
Just watch me.
have it, guys. This is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you had more fun watching me paint than I actually did paint. But please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and make sure you click to see all my videos, because I will be doing this bedroom transformation and you guys can be coming along with me as I finish it all up, and I cannot wait to see the end results. See you guys later. Bye.
We'll be right back.